So when we have a 45-degree reference angle in the unit circle, an important thing to remember is on the unit circle, the radius is always 1. So if I was thinking about this triangle on the unit circle, my hypotenuse is 1. So if it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle, I could use what I know about 45, 45, 90s from our previous unit, the special right triangles unit, to figure out these two missing sides. So this is what we did on the do now, but if you weren't in class, here's what happened. So we got to figure out these two missing sides. Well, I know the baby 45, 45, 90 is 1, 1, radical 2. So I got to find this missing side. So x over 1 equals 1 over radical 2. Now I could cross multiply, but x is already over 1, so it's really already solved for x. But remember, we can't have a radical in the denominator. That's not simplest form, so I got to multiply by radical 2 over radical 2. So this missing side is radical 2 over the square root of 4 is just 2. So this missing side x, let me erase. Let me get a fatter eraser so it's more quick. There we go. This missing side is square root of 2 over 2. And if you put that in your calculator to get a crazy decimal, it's like a little less than 1. So don't worry about it. And then since this is a 45-degree angle, this is a 45-degree angle, we know these two sides are the same. So this is also square root of 2 over 2. So in a 45-degree, 45, 45, 90, where the hypotenuse is 1, the legs are always square root of 2 over 2. Another thing that just might come up is like how many radians is 45 degrees. So again, 45 degrees times pi over 180 equals 45 pi over 180. And if you put 45 over 180, you get 1/4. So it's pi over 4, or 1 pi over 4. So that's how many radians it is. Honestly, I always convert radians to degrees anyway, so it's not huge that you remember that. But if you wanted to, you could. So we're going to use this triangle today for pretty much every problem. So make sure you write it down. The sides are square root of 2, square root of 2, hypotenuse is 1. And we're going to draw triangles in the unit circle today, just like this picture right up here. This is our goal. So let's see how we do the first one.